Boxing and Aikido are two distinct martial arts that emphasize different techniques and philosophies. While boxing primarily focuses on striking techniques using punches, Aikido incorporates joint locks and throws alongside striking techniques. Let's explore the differences in striking and joint locks between these two martial arts. 1. Striking techniques. Boxing. Boxing is a combat sport that emphasizes punches as the primary striking technique. Boxers are trained to deliver powerful punches with proper technique and footwork. The punches in boxing include jabs, crosses, hooks, and uppercuts, targeting the opponent's head and body. Aikido. Aikido is a traditional Japanese martial art that places less emphasis on striking and more on blending with an opponent's energy. However, Aikido does incorporate some striking techniques, including palm strikes, strikes with the edge of the hand, and kicks. These strikes are often used to create openings for joint locks and throws, rather than being the primary focus of the art. 2. Joint locks and controls. Boxing. Boxing does not typically include joint locks or controls as part of its techniques. The primary objective in boxing is to use punches to incapacitate or knock out an opponent. Defensive maneuvers in boxing focus on evading or blocking incoming strikes rather than manipulating an opponent's joints. Aikido. Aikido places a significant emphasis on joint locks and controls. Aikido techniques aim to redirect an opponent's energy and use it against them. Joint locks, such as wrist locks, arm locks, and shoulder locks, are used to immobilize or control an opponent by manipulating their joints. Aikido also incorporates throws and takedowns that utilize joint locks and off-balancing techniques to subdue an opponent. Overall, while boxing focuses primarily on striking techniques using punches, Aikido incorporates a broader range of techniques that include strikes, joint locks, and throws. Aikido's emphasis on joint locks and controls distinguishes it from boxing and many other martial arts. It's important to note that both martial arts have their own unique strategies and training methodologies, and choosing between them depends on personal preference, goals, and interests.